Good morning, childrens. Open your book, Sparkle, workbook section. Come to the page number 41. Lesson 1, Alphabetical Order. Let's learn. The A, B, C, D order is known as the alphabetical order. The A, B, C, D is known as the alphabetical order. Knowing the alphabetical order is important because it will help you in finding words. If you want to find any words in the dictionary, then we have to follow the alphabetical order. Okay, so let's do. Arrange the name of this flower in a alphabetical order. Like here, some of the flowers are given: sunflower, aster, orchid, rose, petunia, hibiscus, dahlia, and salvia. So we have to arrange all this flower in a alphabetical manner. So how we will arrange? We will arrange in a alphabetical order. So first will come A. So aster. Then here D, dahlia. Then hibiscus. Then orchid. Then petunia. Then rose. Last second is salvia, and last one is sunflower. Here S and S. So how we will arrange it? S is similar in both the one. So which will become first? We will see the second one. Letter. Here the A will come first and U will come second. So salvia will become first and then the sunflower. So we have to arrange in this type of alphabetical manner. Now come to the next one. Arrange the name of these vegetables in a alphabetical order. Lady's finger, cucumber, turnip, spinach. Now turn the page. Peas, beetroot, radish, onion. Which will become first? First beetroot, then cucumber, then ladyfinger, then onion, pea, radish, turnip, and last one is spinach. Okay, so like that we can arrange all the vegetable in a alphabetical order. Now come to the third question. Write the following words in a alphabetical order. So we have to see our alphabetical order. Which will become first? Ant, then ball, then caterpillar, then dog, elephant, fox, horse, then tray, and then watch, and last one is yarn. So write all that words in a alphabetical manner. Okay, we have arranged all the words in the alphabetical order, like ant, ball, caterpillar, dog, elephant, fox, horse, tray, watch, and yarn. Okay, now come to the next question, number 4. Write 10 words of your choice in the alphabetical order with the correct spelling. This is your homework. You have to complete this homework in your book only. Understand? Thank you.